Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nneka, your favorite LocDHoney, and we starting off this video with a camera check. Alright, welcome to my Say Brazil unboxing. Say Brazil is a waxing product line that's been around for over 10 years. When I first opened the box, I got a Skin Deep magazine. I thought this was cool of them to give me a magazine with the latest tea in the skincare world. And then they added a catalog in there with my packing slips. This box was hard to open. So Say Brazil has a marketing club that's $97 per month. I signed up for it. Some of the benefits is free shipping, you get a retail website, a marketing kit, a listing on their retail map, and you get free samples with every order. Sorry if y'all hear that. I stay next to a train. These are some of the samples for the products I ordered. I only did the membership for a month because business isn't going how I would like for it to go. But as soon as things get better, I would definitely sign back up for the membership. In the marketing kit, you get product cards. If you want to sell products, all natural products, Say Brazil definitely sets you up for success. This is their Wax Buster. It is $18.95. Sometimes while waxing, you can make a spill. And this cleanser is perfect for cleaning up those spills. You can use it on floors, tables, and equipment. Y'all, it's like 6 in the morning and this train is going on. This is their natural deodorant. It retails at $45. It comes in this 2-ounce bottle. Sorry for, I couldn't really get a clear view of it. But their natural deodorant is aluminum free. And having a natural deodorant is important to me because aluminum can cause breast cancer, which both of my grandmothers had. So taking preventative measures is a must for me. Say Brazil Cocoa and Diva Mix. This can start anywhere from $38 to $800. It just really depends on how much wax you order. They come in these little muffins. Something about me is whatever product I order, I'm going to look for an all-natural version of it. Say Brazil Natural Wax is what attracted me to the company. They have a variety of waxes, but I lean towards the Cocoa and Diva waxes. Their Diva wax is the green one. This is a gel-based hard wax. And their Cocoa wax is the brown one. It is a creamy Brazilian style hard wax. It is said that mixing the two speeds up the drying time. It's another box of the Cocoa. I was really interested in the Cocoa wax, so I got more of the Cocoa than I did the Diva. I search high and low for longer wax spatulas, and Say Brazil is the only company I could find with 9-inch spatulas. These are $13.95. I also got some of their eyebrow sticks, I like to call them. They have a flat and pointed ends, which I find easier to use for your eyebrows. Those are $4.95. Next is their Ouch Balm. And this 0.5 ounce tin, they are retail at $35. This is an all natural thick balm for irritated, bruised, cracked, and burned skin. I like to call this their natural version of Neosporin. It's great for using after a wax also. And those are just the professional size wax bombs. Ouch bombs, sorry. More eyebrow sticks. Y'all, the correct term for them are birchwood applicators. And more 9-inch spatulas. This is from their marketing kit, Shelf Talkers. I think these are so cute to have. It makes me feel real professional. I believe that's it. Thank you for watching my Say Brazil unboxing, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.